Good morning students. The previous class we discussed about parallel lines. Okay, parallel lines are called latitude lines or 0-degree equator lines. And now meridian lines are called longitude lines. So the imaginary lines are drawn on the earth is called meridian lines. Meridian lines are called longitude lines. Now that longitude lines are equal length. Longitude lines are drawn from west to east. But the longitude lines are equal length. The important longitude lines are drawn on the globe, which is called Greenwich longitude lines, which is measured for the standard meridian time of India. So that is the longitude lines in the western hemisphere and also eastern hemisphere. The longitude lines are drawn, the western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. Now here the standard meridian time, which is measured, the Greenwich meridian time, 0-degree Greenwich. Okay, in the year 1884 in London, they observed to measure the standard meridian time, which is called Greenwich standard meridian time. That a Greenwich 0-degree they measured for each angle 90 degree. Okay, in the globe totally 360 degree, So now 180 degree longitude lines and 180 degree latitude lines. Can you able to follow? So here that all that longitude lines drawn from pole to north pole to south pole. The longitude lines. Can you able to follow? So now latitude lines and longitude lines. Latitude lines are called parallel lines. Longitude lines are called meridian lines. So now what is the importance of the latitude lines and also importance of the longitude lines? Now here that measure the equal distance and equal length measured by the longitude lines and also latitude lines. Now on the globe, the latitude line and the longitude lines both are intercut. That is called grid. Longitude line and latitude lines cut with each other. For example here, that is the longitude lines and latitude lines. So this part is called grid. That grid is more useful to locate the place from one place to another place. That is called grid. The intersect of latitude line and also longitude line is called grid. That grid is more important to locate the place in the globe. Can you able to follow all of you? Once again I will repeat. Here some imaginary lines are drawn on the globe. Some imaginary lines. Previous class we discussed about the latitude lines, that parallel lines are called latitude lines. That is parallel to equator. So like that here in the meridian also some important lines are drawn. That at 0-degree Greenwich line, which is called Greenwich longitude line. That 0-degree is measured for the longitude lines. There in the parallel lines, 0-degree equator is measured for the latitude lines. Can you able to follow? 0-degree equator is called latitude line. Here 0-degree Greenwich line is called longitude lines. That longitude lines only is called meridian. In the year 1982, the Greenwich standard time measured in London, 82.5 degree, 0-degree is called a standard meridian, Indian standard meridian time, 82.5 degree, 82.5 degree. Indian Standard Time. The measured Indian Standard Time. 82.5 degree. But a 0 degree Greenwich Meridian Time measured in London. They observed and also they measured in the year 1884. Can you able to follow? So now these lines are very important, parallel lines and also meridian lines. Parallel lines which is called latitude line, meridian lines which is called longitude lines. These both the lines are very important on the globe because both the lines are intersect with each other, which is called grid. Parallel lines and also meridian lines. Latitude line, longitude line, both are intersect with each other, which is formed like a network, which is called grid. Grid, G-R-I-D, grid. That grid is more important for the people to locate the place, to go from one place to another place. Can you able to follow all of you? These are the important lines drawn on the globe. Can you able to follow all of you? Latitude lines and longitude lines. Latitude lines are called parallel lines. Longitude lines are called meridian lines. Can you able to follow all of you?